Very peaceful out here, isn't it? How did you get on with that? Well done. Oh, that was 14, Jim. Well done. So Ivy, what are you making there? A necklace?
Yes. We're just making a ring.
And you're 6?
I'm 6. I'm only 5.
And you're very good at doing this, aren't you? Making quite a long chain length there, aren't you? Whoops, it's come off. Never mind, put it back on again. You're remembering your busy finger all the time now, aren't you, Ivy? I didn't know you were 6 already.
Because I was 5 last year and I'm 6 now. But I was 6 when it was my birthday.
Yeah.
And all of my friends didn't come. Only Sonny and Howard and Lila and Ada come. Because Lila's my sister's best friend and she came in to come to my birthday. Everyone had
Busy finger, that's it.
And then I had the rainbow unicorn horn and it tastes like cotton candy.
Busy finger, that's it. See what happens if you don't put your busy finger on it, don't you there, Misha? It just slips and goes up where you don't want it to go. Busy finger, that's it. Well done. How long are you going to make that then now, Ivy?
Look at me, Sugar, because I'm getting it.
Pardon?
I'm getting a little one of these first. There.
You're going to use all the pink up, are you?
No, that's not.
Is it going to be long enough now, do you think? Do you want to finish it off?
It's like noodles, this one is. This is noodles. Mine is finished now. This rope is noodles.
It's finished.
Me.
Yeah, because you're too silly and you crawl off onto the road and then you get run over by a car.
I mean die like just like this is nearly
Oh, for mage.
or something else. Done.
That's about the right length.